If you're a creator who's tired of living off of brand deals and ad revenue and you want to start building tech products, software products like website, mobile apps, games for your audience, for your brand, then this channel is for you. I'm JL Garofalo. I have been building businesses in the fantasy sports space for the past 10 years. It's been a mix of product and media businesses, but most recently I was CTO of a fast-growing media-only business. And so I've gotten very good at turning an audience into software products that make money, support the business, and that the audience loves. Here is what I see among the creators that I encounter. They have an audience who is willing to give them information, but they don't know what to do with that. They aren't sure how to build tech products. They don't know how to turn that or their ideas into a product that their audience will actually like, that their audience will actually pay for, and that will ultimately support what they're trying to do with their content. And so they end up stalling, they end up overthinking, they end up hiring the wrong person, wasting more time, more money. Creator CTO, this channel, it exists to close that gap. I'm going to show you how to think like a CTO, how to build products for your audience without having to hire your own engineer. You can if you want to, and if you do, I'm going to help you do that as well. But with AI, with the modern technology that we have, you can build a lot of these products yourself. You just have to know how, and I'm going to teach you how. All right, I'm going to show you how to pick the right ideas. I'm going to show you how to break those ideas up and build them incrementally so that you reduce the amount of risk that you have and you don't end up wasting a bunch of time and money on bad bets. On this channel, you can expect real-world breakdowns of products, why they work, why they don't work, tutorials. We're going to build products and features. We're going to use AI. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Q&A live streams where I help you answer any of your questions that you have, any obstacles you're stuck on, I'm here for you. And ultimately, you can expect a community of other creators who are learning the same stuff, trying to add tech products to their brand, and we can all learn together. So if you're serious about building the next layer of your creator business, taking it to the next level by adding this product element, we're going to turn you into Steve Jobs. Hit subscribe and let's build some stuff together. Let's go.